Start with a freehand sketch in the front view. Define the dimensions as shown in the drawing. To draw the outline, use the Offset Entities tool to add 1 mm on each side. Convert the inner lines into solid lines so they do not affect the creation of the solid. Make sure to close the contour. To avoid additional operations, add the fillets with the corresponding radii directly. Generate the first link of the object. To draw the rest, use the circular pattern. First, draw the axis on which the entities should rotate. Finally, apply the circular pattern to generate 6 more links. Great. To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.